Hello Mritins, I hope you all are doing well. So this is the last video of our chapter Digital Documentation. We have already discussed the topics editing of document, formatting the document, text and paragraph. Today we will get to know how we can create and manage the table in the LibreOffice. So let us discuss in the LibreOffice suite. The topic is creating and managing the tables. The first thing is how we can create a table in the LibreOffice. First of all, I will click on the table tab. It will show me the different options. I will click on the insert table. This will show me the name that I want to give to the table. Let us suppose that I am giving the name figure 1 to my this table. If I want to add the different style of my table, I can simply click on it. This is blue list, this is green list, red list, yellow list. If I want to create this type of list, I can simply click on it. Now in this table, if I want to insert the cells, I can click on the insert tab. After it, I can click on the rows below. It will automatically add one row below. Now if I want to delete my row, I will simply click on delete the row. If I want to write the text in my table, I will just click on the table. I will write down the data that I want to insert. Let us imagine that I am going to write the name and roll number list, and now I am writing here the name. Let us suppose I am writing the name and here I am writing the roll number. If I want to merge the data, how I can merge it? If I want to split it, I can write it split cell into 2 or 3. It can split the text into horizontally or vertically. If I will write it vertically, will split the data in the vertical side. Now the next thing is, if I want to merge the cells, I will first select the table, then I will right click on the mouse, then merge cells. Like this, it will merge the cell of my table. Now if I want to delete the table, I can simply click on delete the table. This is how we can manage the table in the LibreOffice. The next topic is how we can print a document in the LibreOffice. To print a document in the LibreOffice, we can simply click on Ctrl plus P, like in the Word. If I will click on Ctrl plus P, or you can also click on the Print tab. You can see that Print tab over here. You can simply click on it, Control Print. Then you can see the options it is giving after printing the tab. You can print the pages per sheet. You can also make the more copies of the same document. You can also select the pages, even pages or odd pages you want to print, or the special page numbers. Like if you want to print only 3 or 4 pages out of 50 document, then you can write down the page number of that pages. This is how you can print a document. The next topic is mail merge. Mail merge is very important feature of the word processor. It is used to create a series of same document with multiple addresses. Mail merge is the process of merging the main document with the mailing address of various persons. Let us suppose if your principal or class teacher wants to send a letter or notice to your parent regarding any meeting or function, then obviously matter of the letter will be same, but the addresses will be different for the different parents. So how we can include a mail merge in our LibreOffice? First of all, we will go to the Tool tab, then Mail Merge Wizard. We will select the starting document, then use the current document. If you want to create any new document, you can click on it, create a new document, or if you are already having the document which you want to send to the persons, then you can click on it. If you start from the template, you can browse your template from here. It will move your cursor to the computer processing disk that is having the templates. The next, if you will move to the next, these are the templates: business templates, MediaWiki, other business documents. These are the different templates that you can include. If you want to personally give that mail merge to the person, if you want to convert it in the CV or resume form, you can click over it. If you want to present anything, you can click on the presentation, and these are the different templates of the presentation. If you want to click on the style, if you want to give the modern style to your mail wizard, you can click on the modern. This is how you can manage your mail wizard. Now I am using the first by default topic, that is use the current document. Move to the next. If I want to send it in the form of letter, I will keep this as a letter. Otherwise, I will click on the email message. Send email messages to the group of recipients, and the email message can contain a salutation. The image messages can be personalized for each recipient. If you want to send the letter, you will click over here. It will ask you the different addresses, the address list, your name, the first name, last name, where you live, your city, and your address. This the person to whom you are sending the letter, the mail wizard. If you will fill all these blanks, then you can simply send your mail wizard to the respective person. This is how you can send a mail wizard or mail merge to the other person. That's all for this chapter. If you find any problem, and one more thing, if you want to allow the list of recipient, it must be in .csv format. The mail wizard must be in the form of .csv format. The extension must be .csv format. That is all for this chapter. If you find any problem regarding this chapter, you can simply post in the comment section. Thank you very much.